welcome back to my channel, and today I will be unboxing some LOLs. But well, it wasn't a LOL surprise. My mom went to the market. She knows I love LOL, so she got me the surprise. The packaging looked a bit doubtful, but when I opened it, this came out, all of these. And now I'm sure this is a scam, but I'm still gonna unbox it and you're gonna get to see. So if the packaging is a bit like this and stuff, it means you got scammed. So you need to be careful. I wish I could show you the package where it came from, but I already threw it away. So yeah, but let's start unboxing. I want to start with this. As you can see, this also looks like it's fake because it looks like normal paper with stickers of LOLs. Who knows? I still like the packaging. I'm going to keep it after opening. So we have a bag saying all the sassy babies. So that's our number one item. Look at it. And then this is the packaging. I am going to keep all the packets, of course. This is not even an LOL doll. This is a big scam. I'm not happy with this scam. And this, wait. Okay. This is how we put her like a decoration piece. It's not terrible, it's still something, and we have some, glosses for no reason to make her look scary. I'll make her look scary. This is what we got for our first doll. So that's our second item. Oh, and here we go. Where's the packaging? Is that all for it? Wait, where's the package? I think I didn't get everything out of the package for it. Yeah, this was a little version of her, and these glosses, and these are some tokens too. And a little star. So this is the first thing we have. Second thing, and we're just gonna put the packaging along next to it. Next, I wanna go for something that will, make me feel a bit better for what I got. So, this. What's this? What is this? A balloon? It's a balloon with the gas thingy. What am I supposed to do with this? You know what? Sure, yes. That was for this. And next. Next we have this. It feels like something soft. At least they should have given a fake doll, not this. What am I gonna do with this? Oh, look everyone, look at my fake badge. Oh. Okay, we have one doll. Okay, wait. Okay, that's what we had. Okay, wait, no, this is gonna fly away. We're gonna just have to. So this is what we got for the third one. Hey, it's not so bad. I can use it for a birthday or something. It was my brother's birthday a few days ago. I'll give him a balloon. So, next, we have, these both feel like cards. They feel like cards. We have 2 packages left, and I'm sure they're going to be terrible because they don't feel like a doll or something fun, or something that will make me like, oh, I can buy this again and stuff. Yep, it got stuck. Oh. What's the new stomach? What's this? Okay, so who did I get? I got, wait, she's not even on the, oh, actually she is. This is who I got from these characters. She's just a random one, the first one. And this one is from these characters. I'm sure this rope will be useful at least, not the character. She doesn't even have a stand. But I do like this thing on her head. You know what, never mind. This is what we got for the package. And this is I would be happy if I actually, even if it would be a cardboard one, I would be happy if I got her. Or maybe, her. I would love it if I got, like, the second one, the neon baby. This is just, I do like unboxing, so I'm not so sad. But this is, in fact, a big fat scam. And I'm sure this is gonna be some piece of cards to play with, because it feels like it. Like it's hard. Yep. Yay, you wanna play? Okay, I'm gonna put her on this side, and I'm gonna put her on that side, and I'm gonna play cards. Here, you get one card, you get one card, I get one card. And then we play with one card. Look at who I got. I got Neon. Cute. She got her. She got her. There, that's all I'm supposed to do. So these are all the things I got. What I liked the most was that and that. These three balloons and that. I kind of like this. It can be my puppet. Like, whoop, whoop, hello. But still, I don't like it that much. And also like this, I'll put it somewhere as a decoration piece. Like, here. Or I can use these too weird. But she's standing too weird. Look, this is how she's standing. Well, anyways, this. My favorite thing. My favorite thing of all was these packages. All of this. I can just use them for a birthday packaging there. Or this is what I like the most overall. And these balloons, because I like balloons. Wait, let me just do something, look. And now listen. There. That's why I like these balloons. Or I can actually fold them up. And the favorite, what I like even more than what this is or something. Nice. What I like the most is this. Because, yes, it's a balloon without the gas in it. But we're going to go to Gina Harbor and we're going to fill it. And then it's going to be like, ooh, a ball. And that's why I like it the best. And I like my cat even more than all these stuff. and that's all I got. But I would actually be happy if I got, yes, the cardboard one, but if I got it like this, or this one especially, I would actually be happy. But I don't have a big, I just have one hole and then the rest were scams. My friend, she has a very big little collection. She doesn't even use them. But like when I go and play with her, she makes big use of them. And for a birthday present, she gave me one of her LOLs. And she has 100 duplicates of how many LOLs she has. But I don't think she buys any more. So that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you soon. I'm sorry this one was very delayed. Bye.